Should we put disco lights on, Ghosty? Hi, I hope you're having a great day. My name is Karen, and I am here to do the second video, February's Get Your Dance Fit Fix in 5. I'm gonna go over a move. We're gonna practice it together, me and you, for 5 minutes. Get our heart rate up. Practice is perfect. And have some fun together. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. I really appreciate it, and I'm so here for you. I would love to help you, so let me know if you have any questions. You can also do that in the comment section. So we already did video number 1, which was chicken noodle soup. If you want to check that out, I'll link it below. For video number 2, we're going to do a move that was made famous by the movie Footloose. Okay, so we're going to start with first a kick step. So while we're doing this, we're just loosening up our shoulders. Maybe a smile on our face just to relax everything up here. This is easy going. Give ourselves a smile. So kick step. Now I'm doing a modified version here. Okay, you can also add a little bounce. So in this, I go up on the balls of my feet, kick step, kick step. So you're either modified or you add the bounce. Every time, make sure those knees are nice and supple. They're just bouncing along with it. Kick step, kick step. Good, let's practice this. No particular arms. They're just kind of like, they can do whatever they want here. But I personally like to have party arms. Good, let's go, let's go. Get that heart rate up. Kick step, kick step, kick step. Good, all right, let's pause for a moment and take a deep breath. Reset, because there's more. There's a pattern. It goes such, well, yes, let's do this together. So we go 3 kick steps. Let's start with our right side first. Kick, step. 3 times step. That was 3. Then we're gonna take this left foot, step back, step forward. That's called a ball change. Because you step on the ball of your foot and step forward. Ball, change feet. Now this left foot is ready to kick. 3 kick steps. 1, 2, 3, step. Now our right foot's going to ball change. Now our right foot's ready to kick step. Kick step, kick step. 3 times, ball change. I'll do it to the side so you can see. Now left foot's ready to kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, ball, change. Goes 3, 2, 1, ball, change. But just make sure you do it slow first. That teaches our body, because we're learning new pathways, like we're giving our body new pathways, but that also helps our body to have control. So we're teaching our muscles how to have control of the movement, not just flailing, right? And we can get faster and faster as we learn the move. Okay, so let's try this again. Now I've got my left foot. Have you got your left foot ready to kick? 1, 2, 3, step, ball, change. 1, 2, 3, step, ball, change. 1, 2. Now get that bounce. Bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, ball, change. All right. I think you can keep on practicing. Go for it. You can pause it right here, but I'm going to get some music for us to practice too.